Hey everyone, my name's Xavier, and today I'm going to give a quick look into the Comica Micro Shotgun microphone. I was sent this microphone a couple days ago and was super excited to get started. As someone who recently switched over from a G7X to a DSLR, I've been looking for a small microphone to plug into the body of the camera and sit on top, and this seems like the perfect introductory microphone at a low price point, but also very simple and easy to set up. When you first open up the box, you're going to find the microphone itself, alongside a small wind muff, a deadcat, a user manual, and two cables, one to plug into a smartphone and one to plug into a camera. So the setup of this microphone is really simple. With this microphone, there are no batteries required, so you can start using straight out of the box. You just take the cable for the camera, plug it into the side of the camera and the microphone port, and then the other end plugs into the back of the microphone. And then you just slide the microphone onto the top of the camera. It holds very securely, and you can also twist it to tighten it. So right now I've been recording this using the microphone itself, but I'm going to go ahead and unplug it and let's hear the difference. So this is the sound quality being picked up by the Canon ADD itself with no external microphone attached. So I'm going to go ahead and plug it back in. The microphone is $50 on Amazon, so it's a pretty low price point. I'm going to leave a link in the description below in case you want to check it out. So here's a sound test of the microphone while you're outside. It's not especially windy right now, but the nice thing is it comes with a wind muff as well as one of those bigger dead cats, and so that should be really useful for when it's super windy. A really great thing about this microphone is how it sits on top, securely fastened, and so it's not going to fall, and you don't have to worry about it hanging off the side. Of course, it's a pretty inexpensive microphone, and so it's not going to do the best when it comes to wind, but for the price point itself, it does a fantastic job. Overall, I think this is a great microphone for new camera enthusiasts or hobbyists. I think it's a very low price point and very simple and easy to use. It's also very low weight, and so you're not going to have very heavy gear while using it, and you can take it anywhere. And the box doubles as a tripod. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.